the actual end of it or not.
You have to see the red mark.
Yeah.
The red mark.
Okay. Right there? Okay. We'll aim for Lake Merritt.
That's it? I had an Australian.
Picture too. Yeah, because like I said, it's normally not that fancy. Hey, who's got it better than us?
Nobody.
Nobody.
We're living life to the fullest.